What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Premium not working for family member. Now first thing you should do is to simply go to your YouTube, open your YouTube application, then go to your profile right here, then click on the settings up right here, and now you have to tap on purchases and memberships. Then click on learn more, and here you should scroll down till you find these two memberships right here. Now you should choose family membership. You should make sure that you choose this option, because if you choose individual, this means that your family member cannot use it. So make sure that you use family membership in order to make any one of your family members use the YouTube Premium. And if you still have the problem, you can simply go to your Google Chrome or your browser, whatever, then type here YouTube support. Then here, as you can see, it will show you this link right here, contact us. Just click on it and start to contact with YouTube support itself. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.